Welcome to your Divine Sleep Yoga Nidra practice. I'm Joyce Ayers with Awaken Wellness Within Reach. If you have not already prepared your space, pause this recording while you find a comfortable, quiet location, gathering pillows and blankets, props for under your knees perhaps, and something to cover your eyes and dim the lights. All there is for you to do in this practice is to lie comfortably still, listen, observe, and allow the journey to nurture and nourish your soul, body, and mind. You will be awake and aware during the practice, even if you fade to another place and do not hear my voice at times. You will hear me say throughout the practice, I am awake and aware, to bring you back should your mind drift elsewhere. There is nothing to do, nowhere to go, except to be in this space right now. Soften your whole body as the support beneath you rises up, providing comfort and stability. Relax and let go on the exhalation, feeling your body release. Let go of any lingering thoughts as the mind settles into hearing my voice. Witness yourself unwinding as you listen, visualize, and sense all that is being created. Notice spaciousness in your body as there is nothing to do, nowhere to go. Your bones are getting heavy, your breath full, your mind at peace, your body relaxed in deep rest. As you progress through the stages, you will go deeper and deeper into relaxation and calm. You may choose to create a place of your own at times. This place of your own choosing is your Sankalpa. This is a place deep inside yourself where your heart's longing calls to you. What does your heart desire? What does your heart long for that nourishes your soul? Allow your inner knowing to speak its truth, an intention or affirmation from your heart's longing. As your intention arises, it speaks in the present tense. It is already true and happening. Your intention might be, I am loved and have peace. Trust your heart's longing to know what it desires and state your intention 3 times in the present tense. It is already occurring for you. And as you sense your body and all its parts, you're becoming more aware of yourself in a deeper way. Welcome all the sensations you're noticing as you become aware of the crown of your head. Notice your forehead, your eyebrows, eyes, nose, lips, chin, ears, neck. Become aware of your whole head and neck. Notice your collarbones, shoulders, upper arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, hands, thumb, fingers. Become aware of your whole arm and hands. Feel your chest, the ribs, spine, hollow of belly, navel. Become aware of your whole torso. Notice your hips and the hip joints, your seat muscles, upper legs, the front and the backs, your knees, your lower legs, the shins and calves. Notice your ankles, heels, arches, toes. Become aware of your legs and your whole foot. Become aware of your whole body. Your whole body. As you go deeper, notice your breath. Your breath's natural rhythm as you draw in each breath, then release it. Feel the center of your body expanding as you inhale. Feel the body release on the exhale at your own pace. As you continue observing the center of your body expanding and releasing, the breath carries with it light and warmth. Breathe in light and warmth into the center of your body. As you exhale, send the light and energy outward. Each breath cycle creates a brighter light and warmth within you and outward. Breathing in healing light energy, sending healing light energy outward. I am awake and aware. Remembering your intention, your sankalpa, that you claimed from your heart's intention. You may return here anytime during the practice. You have your own permission. Begin to feel a place in your body that feels soft. Become aware of the sensation of softness in this place. Completely feel the sensation of softness in this place. And now allow the feeling of softness to spread and completely fill your entire body. Feel softness in your belly, your heart, your throat, mouth, softness in the eyes, shoulders, back, low back, hips, and legs. Feeling softness filling your whole body. And I am awake and aware. Aware of images that you can create behind closed eyes. Images of a dense forest of old trees. Dense forest of old trees. Dense forest of old trees. Rich soil on the ground. Rich soil on the ground. Rich soil on the ground. Cooled lava on mountainside. Cooled lava on mountainside. Cooled lava on mountainside. White tips of ocean waves. White tips of ocean waves. White tips of ocean waves. Waterfall spilling over a cliff. Waterfall spilling over a cliff. Waterfall spilling over a cliff. River flowing through countryside. River flowing through countryside. River flowing through countryside. Flickering flame of candle. Flickering flame of candle. Flickering flame of candle. Fireball sunset on the horizon. Fireball sunset on the horizon. Fireball sunset on the horizon. Roaring warm campfire. Roaring warm campfire. Roaring warm campfire. Wind blowing leaves in the air. Wind blowing leaves in the air. Wind blowing leaves in the air. Eagle gliding on the current. Eagle gliding on the current. Eagle gliding on the current. Wind chimes. Wind chimes. Wind chimes. Full white moon. Full white moon. Full white moon. Twinkling stars. Twinkling stars. Twinkling stars. Expansive blue sky. Expansive blue sky. Expansive blue sky. And then take your imagination and turn it inward, allowing yourself to feel love. Feel love wholly and fully. Notice where you feel love in your body. Notice its color, the color of love, the color of the feeling of love. Allow this feeling and color to spread through your body. Feel love filling up your heart, radiating outward from your heart to fill your chest. Feel love like a liquid flowing into shoulders, arms, hands, fingers. Feel your arms opening, softening, relaxing as they feel love. Feeling love just like a mama bird has for her baby birds. Mama bird is high up in the canopy of the mature trees, which are nestled in the forest, is her nest. Mama bird made many trips, gathering the twigs, branches, mud, and feathers in which to create a strong, secure, stable nest for her baby birds. Her instinct guided her each day as the nest took shape, molding the materials into place where they would be providing a safe, protective nest for her baby birds to thrive. During the day, Mama bird hunted for food, returning to the nest over and over again, day after day, feeding the hungry, growing bellies of her baby birds. She would leave the nest knowing they would be safe high in the tree and that they would stay low, hidden and quiet while they were alone. Eventually, as the baby birds matured, so did their curiosity. They would peer over the edge of the nest at times, at the activity and sounds they heard and saw. Mama bird knew her babies were growing up and were ready to be nudged out of the nest so that they could discover what was beyond their world and learn what they were capable of. As she nudged each one out, she watched as they fell towards the ground. Suddenly, their little wings spread wide, stretching far as the air pressed underneath, lifting them upward, upward towards the tops of the trees. Mama bird knew they were ready to fly easily beyond the safety and confines of the nest, and she joined them in flight. They danced in the current of the wind. They played between the branches. Time had come for each bird to be ready for the journey ahead and trust themselves, knowing they were capable on their own and all will be well. I am awake and aware. Recall your heart's intention, your sankalpa, that you longed for knowing it is occurring in the present moment. Repeat your intention from your heart 3 times. This intention is the truth, and the journey makes it so. Return to the feeling of love and its color that is within you. In this place of love, peace, and abundance, remember your sankalpa. Know that with this journey, your intention has already become a reality. Sense that your mind and body are the bridge for self-knowledge. Know that as you come back to your everyday thoughts and feelings, you will continue to be present in your body, present with your inner knowing, and your intention is already real. Sense your breath moving now. Aware of the room around you. Sense the room without opening your eyes. Begin to deepen your breath, breathing all the way down into fingers and toes. Now wiggle fingers and toes. Moving arms and legs. Gently rock your head side to side. You may choose to stay here a little longer for your Yoga Nidra, laying or sitting, or you may roll over to your side. With eyes closed and heavy, press into your hands and flow up to a comfortable seated position. Lengthen your spine. Take a full breath in and out. Notice how you feel. Aware of the effects of the divine sleep Yoga Nidra practice. Be well. I'm Joyce Ayers with Awaken, Wellness Within Reach.